Piston assembly fitment. Install piston assembly to the connecting rod with arrow mark facing starter motor. Install special tool. Place a cloth under the piston to take care of wire lock. It should not fall into the crankcase. Apply some oil. Insert the pin and wire lock. Use ring compression tool. Apply some oil. Install cylinder block. Remove special tool. Press the cylinder block downwards. Keep the piston in BTDC position. Cylinder head gasket selection process. Preload the dial gauge on plane surface. Mount the dial gauge on special tool. Rotate the crankshaft slowly until piston reaches TDC position. Note the reading. Select the gasket as per the reading. Remove spacer and the studs. Remove the dial gauge along with special tool. Remove the gasket. Lift the cylinder block. Insert special tool. Remove the pin. Remove cylinder block along with the piston. Remove special tool. Insert the selected gasket. Insert the cylinder block along with the piston. Insert special tool. Insert the pin. Install the lock. Remove special tool. Insert the cylinder block along with the piston. Insert fixed pad on crankcase lug. Install the bolt. Tighten the bolt. Install the gasket.